amazing time teaching you.
Well done, and I wish you all the best. We will miss you. It's been a pleasure.
I trust that as each of you begin your travels through the many different journeys of life, you will look back on your school days with pride and affection.
This is a big day for all of you.
In case you forget, this was your high school graduation. Eric, we are so proud of you. You absolutely crushed it today.
Congratulations to all my classmates. We worked really hard to get here.
It's been a long 2 years.
Congratulations, Nate. We're all so proud of you, and I'm really excited to see where you end up.
Fresh out of Halcyon, we will embark on countless exciting paths.
We're surprised and excited to see what your future holds. Love you, Claire.
We love you.
You are an amazing group of people, and you will go on to do amazing things.
It's quite astounding, really, to think that you're now done with high school. Go and do something weird and unusual with your lives, at least for a bit. And enjoy college because it's way better than school. And enjoy work because it's way better than college. It actually is. And enjoy your whole lives, but remember to come back and see us at Halcyon.
We'll miss you, grade 12. Thank you guys for being such amazing role models, and the hub will be super empty without you. Yeah, good luck. Love you. Bye.
On behalf of everyone at Halcyon, you have our warmest congratulations and our very, very best wishes for the future.